Okay, so as promised, I'm going to share my keto oatmeal recipe. It's really quick and really easy. So first I turn my heat on about medium, a little over medium. Then I get my liquid simmering, so it's going to be half a cup of almond milk, and then I add half a cup of coconut milk, and then I'm going to add my spices while the milk is still simmering, the milk mixture. So I'm going to add a few drops of nutmeg, and not too much because nutmeg can be overwhelming. So just a few shakes of nutmeg and then a few shakes of cinnamon. I'm more liberal with the cinnamon because I like the taste of cinnamon, and it's not as overwhelming as the nutmeg. And then a few pinches of salt. Because what I'm going to do, what these spices do is the sweet and the saltiness, it comes together very nicely with the nutmeg and the cinnamon. The flavors are just amazing. So while that is simmering, I'm going to stir the liquid. And I'll know when to add my other dry ingredients when I start seeing those bubbles forming on the outer corners of the pot. So that's all mixed up there. Okay, so you see the bubbles forming there on the corner. So now I'm going to add a quarter cup of flaxseed meal and a quarter cup of hemp hearts. And if you don't like the sliminess of the chia seeds, someone commented on one of my pictures that they don't like the sliminess of the chia seeds. You can stop right here and just sweeten your keto oatmeal, right? But I like chia seeds, so I'm going to add about a tablespoon of chia seeds. Not chia seeds, chia seeds. So a tablespoon of, people say chia seeds. Tongue twister. So you see it's thickening up very nicely there. And last, I'm going to sweeten it. I'm going to turn my fire down just a little bit. The coconut milk causes it to thicken very quickly, so you have to just watch your fire. I'm going to add a tablespoon of erythritol. And all keto sweeteners do not taste the same. I don't mind erythritol. You may not like that flavor, so you have to choose which keto sweetener is best for you and go accordingly. But I like erythritol, and I use a tablespoon of erythritol in this recipe. And the sweet and the salty and the spice from the nutmeg and the cinnamon, it's all so nice. And if you don't know where to find hemp hearts and chia seeds and erythritol, I will leave some links under my bio on my page, and you can just order it from Amazon and they'll deliver it right to your door. So that's what I do when it's hard for me to find certain ingredients. So you see it's almost ready there. Everything's all thickened up and mixed together, and all the flavors are coming together so nicely. So I'm going to get ready to plate it. You see how fast that was? That was so easy. And it's so delicious and perfect and filling and full of healthy fats. So start your day with this keto oatmeal with lots of flavor. I forgot one important thing, and that's a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You don't want to forget that. That has a lot of your flavor there. So yeah, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I don't know how I forgot that. But yeah, now we're ready to plate our delicious keto oatmeal.